This goes out to all my people skipping bail, whipping tail, selling L, sit in jail, like the doobie, telling gold like a ruby. After that, they couldn't find a villa like Scooby.
On our way to South El Monte to check out this car that I am designing. It's going to be wrapped by Felix. Keep it with the current theme, but you know, put a little vintage Clash love on it, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna head there now. It comes from Orange County, so it's gonna be like an hour to get there, but it's all right. It's a nice day out. We're in a good looking car. Just gonna stop and get some gas and we'll be on our way.
Hey, what's going on, man? It's your boy Scat Tune. As y'all can see, Tune in the flesh, man. I done cooked up some stuff with my boy Carlo. Right here cooking. He was in there water whipping it. I don't even know what to say right now, but look. What we got on the way coming, man, it's gonna be crazy. New rap on the way. We have people out here copying raps. So, you know, we already had it already in the works. So, look, God ain't gonna let nothing slip up. He came through in the clutch. We was already working on a new rap. When it drops, it's gonna be the hottest thing that you've seen. It's gonna be way better than this. Ain't all just as legendary, big legendary. But the new rap gonna be even more legendary. From my boy, Carlos. Yes, sir. And everybody else behind the scenes that you don't see right now. We gonna get it though. Stay tuned.
Went over the design again, got a close look at the car. I'm gonna make a couple changes. I saw we can kind of move some stuff around and it makes it easier for Felix to do the rap and throw in a couple more surprise characters. So that's gonna be good, man. It's hot as hell out here, man. Here's Trey telling some wild ass story, probably not true.
It's just the issue that fucking the way Anaheim did it.
Anaheim was like kind of like
anal. They're fucking anal.
So over here should be back.
Trey, what's going on?
What's going on? Somebody wants to interview me about the Carbon Cat. I don't know who it is. Hey, someone interviewed me about the Carbon Cat. So what's going on is I'm getting interviewed about the Carbon Cat. You know what I'm saying? It's about fucking time they recognize. You know what I'm saying? These guys got good taste. They recognize quality. People realize windshield wipers are forged carbon. What's up? You know, me, motherfucking Vintage Clash, we out. Mopar Madness out here. Hey.
I'm here with my boyfriend Trey. We're looking at cars.
Y'all know who he is. You know, the She-Hulk's son. He takes care of the car. When you see the car, when you see that motherfucking pristine, that's because of him. That's what the fuck he does. Manager runs that shit. Y'all want to step out? We got the violent riders. You know what I'm saying? Violent. I said it again. Violent. Whole row, all the way up. So what the fuck we do? Coming up, starting. I imagine this is how King Tut felt when he built all the pyramids. When you look at this fucking lineup we got going on right here, man.
I think the pyramids were there before King Tut got there, right?
It's a metaphor.
All right, there's Eric winning shit as usual.
Yes, your theory is true. If you buy them, you win.
Every time.
Weren't we just talking about you guys winning? Hey, this is my shit now.
Yo, where's the receipt, sir? Where's the receipt?
I'm telling you, it's racist ass, bro. You fucking racist.
All right, Robert, what'd you win today?
Nothing.
All right, back to you guys. What about you, sir?
Not a damn thing, man. We don't win anything, man.
That's some bullshit.
Yeah. I just got hit with a 50K tax bill, 300 racks in a year. How does that feel? Bitch, I'm feeling great.
I like to thank me. Second, like to thank me.
Okay.
Third, I got to thank me.
Number 1, 8, 6,
I just got hit with a 50K tax bill, 300 racks in a year. How does that feel? Bitch, I'm feeling great. My pocket's straight. I made some MP3s and opened up the gate. Walk. Go tell the IRS to suck my fucking I sent that payment out. Postman, bad bitch, I had to take the paper out.
Oh, good.
In fact, only love you when you make it out. That fat white kid named Martyr, his shit harder. Bitch, I'm taking now.
good condition.
I just got hit with a 50K tax bill, 300 racks in a year. How does that feel? Bitch, I'm feeling great. My pocket's straight. I made some MP3s and opened up the gate. I just got hit with a 50K tax bill, 300 racks in a year. How does that feel? Bitch, I'm feeling great. My pocket's straight. I made some MP3s and opened up the gate. Walk.
I'm like, my stomach's been hitting the ground since I've been on the way, bro.
Yeah?
I ain't gonna hold you. Bro. You gonna be live, bro?
Everybody can join the live, bro.
And this might be a crazy reveal, bro.
Yo, it is, bro.
I'm hype as hell.
Oh, it is,
I ain't
bro.
gonna hold you. I'm hype as hell, bro.
I'm excited as
I don't know
well.
if I should be ready, bro. Here we go.
Oh, here we go.
Yo, we going crazy. Hey, y'all put the damn tune on the fucking hood. Y'all tricked me. Y'all didn't even show me this shit. Y'all crazy. Yo, hey, the top is crazy. I didn't even see the top of it. Yes, hey, y'all went crazy, bro. Oh, like this right here, just that's crazy, bro. That's crazy.